You want to get out of that rat race, and you also know that real estate is a great way to get massive and passive income that can pull you out of the rat race. But you don't have the $200,000 to put into a flip, or even $30,000 to $50,000 for down payment on a rental property, let alone the team to help you do the remodel and everything that comes with it. How about a strategy that requires zero funds, zero team, and something you can do in your PJs? Today we're going to be talking about selling paper for $2,000 to $60,000. You heard me right, selling paper. But I know what you're thinking. This is a real estate channel. How does selling paper have anything to do with real estate? Well, that's wholesaling, my friends. Imagine you find someone that needs to sell their house fast, like really fast. Maybe they're going through divorce, foreclosure, bankruptcy, or their house is condemned with meth or even fire. You can offer to buy their house for cash. Hang on a minute. I know what you're thinking. But Jared, I don't have cash to buy someone's house or even a team to flip it. Don't worry. We will come to that in a second. You and the seller agree on the purchase price, a closing date, and you get it all in writing using your local real estate purchase contract. The next step is you find a cash buyer that's looking for his next big deal. You tell them about the deal you have under contract. He's excited for the chance of getting another deal with big profits. You offer to sell your rights to the contract for assignment fee. Let's just say, for this example, $10,000. 2 weeks later, at closing, you get $10,000. And all you did was sell the rights to the contract. Okay, so technically you never sold paper, you just sold the rights to your contract, but it's still worth $10,000. And it's a win-win scenario. The seller wins, the buyer wins, and you win. That's our video for today. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about how to find buyers, how to find the deals, go ahead and click on these videos. If